Hey, what's up ComSci community? I'm back with day number 10 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. So today I haven't actually coded anything yet, but I did do two things. The first thing that I did was a workshop in Team Treehouse about using the Chrome DevTools in order to debug CSS. So not only did I learn how to find the bugs that are in my CSS code, I learned how to go and actually fix them. The second thing that I did today was I actually put together a wireframe for my cousin's salon website. And don't laugh at this, this is the first one I've ever actually made. And I just drew it up on paper. I did a basic mobile layout as well as a basic desktop layout. So for the mobile, you can just see basically the sections that I want to include, which is the landing section. It probably won't actually be a hamburger menu because that's going to involve some JavaScript, and I don't think I want to use JavaScript to make this website. And then the following sections, the about, the services, reviews, and contact. And you can see in the desktop version, it's a little bit more in depth. You can see a little bit of information in the about section, some services that will be included, a couple reviews in the reviews section, as well as a link to see the rest of the reviews, and the contact section at the bottom. So that's pretty much it as far as the wireframe goes for his salon website, but I am going to work with him throughout the process to make sure that he's happy with everything. So over the course of the next week, what I'm going to do is actually take this wireframe and I'm going to start marking it up in HTML. And I'm also going to keep learning on Team Treehouse. I'm going to learn more about responsive design, mobile first design, and I'm also going to learn about CSS Grid, which I do think will help me a lot with this. Alright, well that's day number 10 in my 100 Days of Code challenge. I hope you guys are having fun following along, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.